Okay, I'm gonna continue with removing some parts on the cooling system here before I continue on with the valve covers and the intake manifold. So hope you enjoy it, and I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna do it very slowly and carefully because I don't want to break anything at all. I've already pulled this last night, so this hose should be good to go. This is attached to the thermostat, and then you have another cable here. I hope you can see it. You have another cable here on the thermostat. I need to push it and then pull it up. Okay, that's that. This is already pulled. It's coming off slowly.